Hi everyone, if you ever tried making macarons, you know they are delicate, tricky, and honestly a bit intimidating. Maybe you tried before and they cracked, spread, or didn't rise. Or maybe you've been scared to even start. That's exactly why I created this class. I will guide you step by step, from start to finish, so you can finally make macarons that look and taste amazing. We will explore 3 professional methods and I'll help you choose the method that's the best fit for you, depending on your level and your goals. I will also show you which ingredients and tools really make a difference, what to pick, what to avoid, and how to find the right products outside of France. Because macarons can be tricky, I've dedicated a whole section to troubleshooting. You learn why they fail, how to fix them, and how to avoid mistakes in the first place. Then comes the fun part, making incredible flavors. Bright zesty lemon, rich creamy dulce de leche, elegant raspberry. These are recipes I learned from top French pastry chefs and I'm sharing them with you step by step in this premium course. Whether you're a private enthusiast who wants to master the technique and impress friends and family, or a professional baker who wants to create macarons to sell, this class has everything you need. By the end, you'll have the confidence and skills to make macarons that are perfect in texture, flavor, and presentation, just like the ones in French patisserie. So, if you've been intimidated by macarons or frustrated by failed attempts, join me and let's make perfect macarons together.